He just snowballed me in the face. Y'all, look at all this snow. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Like, I bitch wanna go play in the snow. Okay? Okay. I'm straight lying, y'all. It's so cold, but I'm just so happy. This is like my favorite weather. Like, your girl's happy. Be safe on those roads, y'all, and don't be speeding. Don't be drinking, driving, texting, trying to change the music. Leave it what it's on and drive safe. He's shoveling. Look at those beautiful trees. Last night we got more than just 3 or 4 inches. Hey hon, how's it going? This is so pretty. I'm so excited. Favorite time of the year. It's not even that cold, honestly. I'm just super excited that there's like, look at the trees. I like stuff like that. So they say snow never sticks in Seattle. I don't think they knew what they were gonna have in 2019 because this definitely stuck. And I got it all on footage. I've been recording all night, guys, all night. So this is like the perfect weather to go out there and take some cute little photos for IG, Snapchat, Facebook, and get that cute little backdrop you guys have been wanting for, been fiending for all year round. Hope you guys are staying warm out there. I am so excited.
Throw it back. Wow.
Daddy, look at my bracelet, Daddy. No, fire stick.
I love you. Be safe. Call me when you get down. All right.